Welcome to our deep dive into the incredible features of the 2025 Toyota Tundra. Toyota has once again raised the bar with a blend of power, technology, and comfort. Let's explore what makes this truck stand out. Exterior design. The 2025 Tundra boasts a bold and rugged exterior design. Its aggressive front grille, LED headlights, and sculpted body lines command attention on the road. The front grille, inspired by Toyota's heritage, features a striking design with chrome accents that add a touch of sophistication. The headlights, with their sharp, angular design, not only look great but also enhance visibility with advanced LED technology. Moving to the side profile, the Tundra's muscular fenders and aerodynamic contours provide a dynamic look that hints at its performance capabilities. The variety of available trims, from the sporty TRD Pro to the luxurious Platinum, each offer unique styling elements such as distinctive badging, wheel designs, and color options. The 2025 Tundra is designed to make a statement, whether you're on the highway or off-road. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Tundra offers two impressive engine options. The iForce 3.5-liter twin Turbo V6 delivers 389 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque, providing robust power for a variety of driving conditions. This engine is designed for those who need a reliable workhorse that can handle both everyday tasks and heavy-duty jobs with ease. For those seeking even more power and efficiency, the iForce Max Hybrid option combines the twin-turbo V6 with an electric motor, producing a whopping 437 horsepower and 580 pound-feet of torque. The hybrid system not only enhances performance, but also significantly improves fuel efficiency, making it a great choice for those looking to reduce their environmental footprint without sacrificing power. Interior and comfort. Step inside and you'll find a spacious and luxurious cabin designed for both comfort and functionality. Premium materials such as leather-trimmed seats, real wood accents, and soft touch surfaces create an upscale atmosphere. The Tundra's seats are designed for long-haul comfort with available heating, ventilation, and power. Adjustable features to ensure you and your passengers stay comfortable in all weather conditions. The dashboard is thoughtfully laid out with intuitive controls and a modern design. At the center, you'll find a large touchscreen infotainment system that serves as the hub for navigation, entertainment, and connectivity. The system supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and features a premium audio system that delivers crystal clear sound. The rear seats offer ample legroom and headroom, making the Tundra a comfortable choice for passengers of all sizes. With options for under-seat storage, folding rear seats, and multiple USB ports, the Tundra's interior is as versatile as it is comfortable. Safety and driver assistance. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Tundra. Equipped with Toyota Safety Sense, a suite of advanced safety technologies, the Tundra is designed to protect you and your passenger. Features include adaptive cruise control, which maintains a safe distance from the vehicle ahead, and lane departure alert with steering assist, which helps keep you centered in your lane. Blind spot monitoring with rear cross. Traffic alert provides additional awareness, especially when changing lanes or reversing. The Tundra also features a 360-degree camera system that gives you a bird's-eye view of your surroundings, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces easier and safer. Additionally, the Tundra is built with a reinforced frame and advanced airbag systems to provide robust protection in the event of a collision. These safety features work together to give you confidence and peace of mind on every journey. Connectivity and convenience. Stay connected and in control with the Tundra's advanced connectivity features. The centerpiece is the large touchscreen infotainment system, which integrates seamlessly with your smartphone via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This allows you to access your favorite apps, music, and navigation with ease. Wireless charging ensures your devices stay powered without the clutter of cords, while multiple USB ports keep all your passengers connected. The Tundra also features a Wi-Fi hotspot, so you and your passengers can stay connected to the internet on the go. The Toyota mobile app provides remote access to your Tundra, allowing you to lock and unlock doors, start the engine, and even check the status of your vehicle from your smartphone. These features add a level of convenience and control that enhances your overall driving experience.